In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile settings on Etsy. This is a crucial step for personalizing your experience and ensuring that others can recognize and connect with you on this vibrant platform dedicated to handmade, vintage, and unique goods. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the Etsy website. If you're in the Philippines or anywhere else for that matter, just type in Etsy Philippines in your browser or simply visit Etsy.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to turn your attention to managing your preferences and profile view. Right at the top of the page, you should see a link to account settings. Go ahead and click on that. This section of Etsy is where you can control various aspects of your profile and the information associated with your account. Next, look for the option that says Edit Public Profile and select it. This is your go-to area for altering how the world sees you on Etsy. Afterward, one of the most characteristic elements you can customize is your profile picture. Click on the Profile Picture tab. Here you can upload a new picture or change your existing one to something that resonates more with your current style or brand. Having a clear and updated image helps in making connections who visit your profile. While you're in the process of updating, consider reviewing the gender section too. Click on gender to ensure that it represents your identity correctly. This is an optional field, but making sure it's accurate can enhance your personalized activity across the platform. The next clickable option you'll see is City. Click on City to update your location information. This can be helpful for local buyers or sellers who might want to connect with someone nearby. Following that is Birthday. Now, this is another optional piece of information but can be useful, especially if you want to receive birthday discounts or special offers from Etsy or certain sellers. Simply click on Birthday and update the date if necessary. Finally, after you've reviewed and updated these sections, it's crucial to save all your changes. Go right ahead and click on Save Changes. This ensures that all your hard work and updates don't go to waste and are reflected immediately on your Etsy profile. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your Etsy profile settings. Whether you're shopping for yourself or setting up a storefront to sell, having an accurate and polished profile can make all the difference in your interactions and transactions on the platform. Thanks for watching and happy Etsying!